Most expensive type of woman is the one who's not going to ask you for money. She's not going to ask you to pay her bills. She's not going to ask you to fund her lifestyle. She's not going to ask you to pay her rent. She's not going to ask you for her money, for her nails, for her hair, none of that. And that is because she can do all of those things on her own. Women nowadays are more financially independent than ever before throughout history. Women who operate like this, they're looking for things that cost a lot more than money. They're looking for loyalty. They're looking for respect. They're looking for open communication. They're looking for reciprocity. They're looking for a man to match her energy, to see her eye to eye, and to be on her level. To a woman like that, money comes and goes and it's whatever because she already has it on her own. She ain't looking for that. She's looking for emotional stability. She's looking for loyalty, a masculine presence, and a man who's emotionally intelligent. She is not out here looking for a provider. You think she's looking for that. She's already her own provider and she's doing it well. So a woman like this is going to cost you a lot more than the woman who's asking you for money. She is looking for a man who matches her. Not her bank account, but her standards, her character, her vision, and her level of self-awareness.